gorgeous car from the Greg Graham C2 Corvette collection. This one's a real winner. 1965. It's got the numbers matching drivetrain, so that's the engine, Power Glide automatic transmission, and the rear end are all numbers matching, original to the car. This thing's been judged in both regional and chapters. It's NCRS Top Flight multiple times. The judges have looked at it, and it's a remarkable example of a correct Corvette. Starts up real easy. It has power steering and then power disc brakes. That's disc brakes at all four corners. Stops real nice. Easy power steering. Oh, let's see what she's got. And just like that, up to highway speeds, absolutely no problem. Let's see, take a look at all the gauges here. Seems like they're working. Fuel gauge, battery showing a charge. Tach, we're sitting now at 54 miles an hour at 2,400 RPMs. Good oil pressure, about 40 at idle. I wasn't looking at it when we stopped on it, but and the temperature is sitting just under 180 degrees. Again, even the clock works in this one, and that's a little choppy on the movement, so that's the original movement, and it is working very well. Radio works, turn signals on, and let's see if it cancels. Yeah, it canceled automatically. It also has, let's see, a power antenna. Nice option. But again, this car has been just gone through top to bottom, and it's multiple award winner. As far as service, we just tinkered with a couple little things on it, but our shop, our lead mechanic, did go ahead and complete a thorough inspection on it. And if you want to see the details of that, you can just go on our website, and we'll give you can see everything that we went ahead and repaired on it. But yeah, running real nice, driving real nice, looks slick as could be. Super cool too. Got the kind of like a placard or like a board in the back, and it has all the blue ribbons on it, so that's going to come with the car. And you can pull up at the car show and just rest that right in front of you, and people know the car is totally legit then. So check out all the pictures, details, and the full description on volocars.com.